My name is Anay Kamat and I am from Goa. I was part of the organizers group that organized Goa Regionals this year for Codeavour 5. Experience with Codeavour always has been pretty great. I have been associated with Codeavour for last 3 years now, wherein it has been happening in Goa. This year the exciting part was that there was actually a robot match which quite a lot of people and students participated across India, and obviously I can speak on behalf of Goa because there were a lot of participants who came for the first time. This is happening for the first time in Goa itself to join Codeavour because of Track 2. So the experience was great. Everyone enjoyed. Obviously it was quite emotional also for a lot of students, and obviously like any other AI related or robotics related matches, yes, it was an era of sleepless nights and also extreme satisfaction at the same time. I think one of the major blocker in getting this to underrepresented students is that there is a fear that this is a lot more about engineering than about courage and imagination. What is required is, I think somewhere down the line this whole idea or the term robotics come into picture, but probably if you could just change the language to the game of technology, inspiration, courage and creativity, then that will pull in a lot more people to participate in events like this.